In this video, we are going to learn how to paste text in Word without formatting. Hello, my name is Mark, and you are watching the Office Master tutorial. Office Master is here to help you learn how to use Microsoft Office in quick and simple step-by-step tutorials. When you copy text from other documents or from your internet browser, the text may keep its own formatting. There are two ways to paste text without formatting in Word. First, copy text that has formatting applied to it from the internet or from another document. In the Home tab, search for the Clipboard group and click the arrow button under the Paste option. A drop-down menu appears, inside which we can see additional paste buttons. Click the Keep Text Only button. You can see that Word has pasted and copied the text inside your document and removed all the formatting at the same time. The second way is to use a keyboard shortcut, but you must set the keyboard shortcut yourself. To do so, navigate to the File tab, select Options. In the Word Options dialog window, select the Customize Ribbon tab and click the Customize button right next to the Keyboard Shortcuts at the bottom of the dialog window. In the Customize Keyboard dialog box, under Categories column, select the All Commands option, move to the right, and under the Commands column, search for Paste Text Only and select it. Click inside the Press New Shortcut Key field and record the shortcut you want to use by pressing the keyboard keys. In this tutorial, we are going to use Ctrl plus Shift plus V because that's what is commonly used in other programs to paste text without formatting. You can use any keyboard shortcut you want unless it clashes with any other shortcut. Once you are done, click the Assign button and close the dialog box. Then OK, and the next time you paste text using the shortcut that you recorded, it is going to be pasted without any formatting. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.